Kasngi ba Ïingdorbar mang tingka ka jala kala sakhi ka jing Ïatai ka bakhloj Halor ka jing Shngaiñ Khappud jang ka jala ka ba unong yalam ba khli du ka Voice of the People's Party VPP ubadeiru u MLA ka nongkram uba arden bela basai moj ulapen pau ka jing Sngokia Halor ka jing Shngaiñ ki pat ba ki basa ki jaka Khappud kamtam ka mukro ya ka ba ka asam kala kam ba ka dan hapo ka jing pet jongka habajubab ya uba basai moj menteri rang ba ukonrat sangma uloong bagadon ka jing don kam ban pen khalan chu iki ken hun pulet ka jala khnang banwan ra ka jing sngo Shngaiñ ye hakinong Shong ka mukro bat baga sarkar kala shimru ya baro ki siam jam ban pen tikena bagi pat ba ki basa haki jaka Khappud ki don ka jing sngo Shngaiñ Menteri rang ba uloong ba haki sanpho senam beladam ki jing ja kom ka mukro ki mi na ka jing ka japun haka ba ka daw kala ban long namar ba ompat shim lala ban poi haka jaka haka jing ya pen bet put.
And that is the reason why in the previous government, in MDA government, we were very, very keen to ensure that we resolve the border issue once and for all. Because once we are able to resolve these issues, once we are able to mark and demarcate the different areas.
Haba uba basel maj ulapan ka jing petikena ba sarkar kam dei ban kensting Halor ka jing Shngaiñ ki pat ba khnang ban laj na ka wei pat ka jing ja jong ka jing sha siat yam menteri rang ba uloong ba sarkar ka dang shim ye ki sien jam ban petikena bakum kinie ki jing ja kin om ja shu.
But in order to ensure that we are able to control the situation and also provide the safety, security and avoid, as the Honourable Member mentioned, any future incidents. Of course, number one step is to strengthen our own forces within our borders, and that is very important because it builds up the confidence of the people. And hence, as mentioned, that we have gone ahead and sanctioned new border outposts, new police stations, and we have enhanced the manpower, and all these different aspects and infrastructure work also will start there. So all these infrastructure in terms of security, so all these aspects will overall lead to ensure that our manpower and our police force is increased, and our presence is felt, so that there's a sense of confidence among our people. That's number one, sir.
Hagaju kasur unaw mikmat nakaseng United Democratic Party UDP namukayaw uba New York sungo ulakan tu ya sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabaar manpeti kena banwan ra biang ya baro lai pun teligi Shong kibaha baka block 1 syaga jala Meghalaya.
Sir, as we are aware that this particular incident is under the Commission of Inquiries, and hence we are not able to take up the entire matter. This particular issue of this shifting of the gate is very much within the Inquiry Commission's mandate, because these are the circumstances under which this incident took place, and hence it will not be appropriate for me to reply to that. The Inquiry Commission is going on right now, and I would urge that let the Commission of Inquiries first complete their investigations.